Okay, so for today's lesson, ang topic natin is currency pairs, quotes, and pips. Lesson contents. What are currency pairs? What pairs do we trade? How to read a Forex quote? And what are pips and how do you measure them? Itong lesson na to ay isang vital part para sa risk management process natin. Okay, so, as a Forex trader, first thing to learn is about the product. At yun ay ang currencies. First, we have AUD stands for Australian dollar. Next is Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, euro, British pound, Japanese yen, New Zealand, at syempre, US dollar. These currencies have the highest trading volume or liquidity, and therefore, meron silang mababang transaction costs. So meron din tayong mga exotic currencies kagaya na nga lang ng ZAR, South African Rand, MXN, Mexican Peso, at THB or in Thai Baht. Pero I strongly advise na i-avoid na lang natin mag-trade sa mga exotic currencies na ito at mag-stick na lang tayo sa 8 major currencies dahil itong mga major currencies na to ay mas madaming nagtre-trade dito, mataas ang trading volume and liquidity, at also may mababang transaction costs. Individual currencies do not have an absolute value, so there are only way para magka-value sila is we compare them sa ibang currency, so therefore they are always counted in pairs. Currency pair, quotation of the relative value of a currency unit against the unit of another currency. Okay, so isang example ng currency pair is United States dollar versus Japanese yen. If alam mong tataas yung value ng US dollar, or alam mong bullish ang market ng base currency, you will go for buy or long position. Bibili ka ng US dollar at simultaneously magbebenta ka naman ng Japanese yen. If alam mong bababa ang value ng US dollar or bearish market ang base currency, then you will go for sell or short position. Dahil aangat ang value ng JPY at bababa naman ang value ng USD. Pero kung nalilito naman kayo kung paano ba mag-buy or sell, makikita nyo naman ito sa taas ng trading app nyo. Pipindutin nyo lang yung sell if magbebenta kayo. Then buy naman if bibili kayo ng base currency na yon. Okay, so kanina meron tayong na-discuss na may 8 major world currencies. Sa 8 major world currencies, meron nabubuong 28 individual tradable currency pairs. At sa lahat ng 28 currency pairs, lahat na nakapair sa US dollar, those are referred to as the majors. At yung ibang pair na hindi nakapair sa US dollar ay tinatawag silang minors o kaya naman ay crosses. If you want extraordinary results, you need to narrow your focus. Example is gusto mong i-trade lahat ng 8 different major currency pairs. Sa tingin nyo makaka-focus kayo sa 8 different pairs na yon? Syempre hindi, di ba? This is why I will recommend na 1 to 3 pairs lang ang i-focus nyo. At sa araw-araw na nagtra-trade kayo dun sa currency pairs na iyon, makakabisado nyo kung ano ang galaw ng currency na trine-trade ninyo. Kasi pag palipat-lipat kayo ng chart, malilito lang kayo. Tsaka hindi lahat ng currencies ay iisa ang trend. Meron tayong positive correlation at negative correlation. Okay, so kapag ang currency pairs ay quoted, yung currency na nasa kaliwa ay yung tinatawag na based currency at yung nasa kanan naman ay tinatawag na quote currency. So etong pound-dollar exchange rate is nagpapakita na kung ilan ang kailangan mong British pounds para makabili ng isang US dollar or ilan ang dollars na kailangan mo para makabili ng isang British pound. So ang based currency na nasa kaliwa ay ang pound, kahit anong mangyari siya ay laging may value na 1. So in this example, if ang pound dollar is counted as 1.3085, ang ibig sabihin ang isang pound is equal to 1.3085 USD at that point of time. So kung meron kang US dollar at kailangan mong bumili ng ilang pound, kailangan mong magbayad ng 1.3085 US dollar for every British pound na kailangan mo. O kaya naman meron kang pound at gusto mong bumili ng USD, then makakatanggap ka ng 1.3085 for every pound na ibebenta mo. Kapag bumili ka ng pound dollar or nag-long position ka, it simply means you're buying the based currency and you simultaneously nagbebenta ka ng count currency at the same time. So sa madaling salita, if you're going buy pound dollar, you're buying pounds and you're selling US dollar. Kung sa tingin mo naman, ang base currency British pound will depreciate and gain value relative to count currency sa USD, then buy. And you should sell the pair and go short if you think the base currency, the pound, will depreciate and lose value relative to coot currency, the dollar. So in trader's talk, buying a currency pair is referred to long position. At sa araw na bibili tayo, we're gonna buy on low and sell back to the market at the higher price for a profit. So in that case, ina-expect natin na ang pound ay mas malakas kumpara sa US dollar. And selling the currency pair is referred to going or taking a short position at kikita ka kung bumaba ang market. So in that case, we're gonna make sure that we're selling high and the daily buyback at the later day at the much lower price to lock into profit. We're gonna short pound dollar if ini-expect natin na ang pound dollar ay mahina against sa US dollar. Pips, or percentage in point, the unit for measuring the changes in value between two currencies. Essential pips, it is referred to in terms of the amount of the price changes. So kung babasahin natin yung price count, a pip is usually ay nasa pang-apat sa huling decimal place. 1 pip, short kagas 0.001, so medyo magiging tricky dahil meron exceptions sa kagaya ng Japanese yen pairs na meron lang na 2 decimal places. So in that case, 1 pip is equal to 0.01. So ayan, makikita nyo yung pinagkaiba and yung yen pair ang lang may ganon. Okay, so sa isang example, if New Zealand dollar rises from 1.755 to 1.165, ilan pips ang itinaas niya? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is 10 pips ang itinaas niya. Simple lang, di ba? Okay, isa pa. Kung ang NZD versus USD bumaba from 1.11055 to 1.1005, and that indicates what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct. A 50 pips fall. Okay, last one. If pound versus yen tumaas from 140.90 to 141.05, what movement of pips is that? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, tama. It's tally 15 pips rise. And dahil tandaan na ang Japanese yen pairs ay umaangat o bumababa lang siya ng 2 decimal places. Ngayon, kadalasan sa mga Forex brokers, they count currency pairs beyond the standards, 4 and 2 decimals places na tiningnan natin, at ngayon she goes to 5 decimal places, and most pairs and 3 on the Japanese yen pairs, para mabigyan tayo ng mataas na precision sa counting exchange rates, and these are referred to as fractional pips, which are commonly known as pipips or micropips are made equal to 10th of a pip. So kung ang NZD-USD ay counted at 1.10352 at ang 5th decimal place, which is smaller number ayon ang pipit na tinatawag, and which in this case, that will be equal to 0.2 pips. Then kung ang EUR dollar is counted 1.10357, and that will be an increase of half of pip. Isang mabilisang summarize lang sa key point ng lesson natin. We focus on the 8 major currencies, the US dollar, yen dollar, British pound, euro, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, Australian dollar, and the New Zealand dollar. Individual currencies do not have an absolute value. However, this is why they are counted against on each other when we put it on pairs. 28 currency pairs. Kailangan mo lang mag-focus sa isa o tatlo, depende sa trading style nyo. Majors currencies that contain US dollar, and the minors crosses currencies that do not contain US dollar. Buy, house long, bullish. If ang market ay nagpakita na aangat yung price sell, rara short bearish. Naman if ang market ay nagpakita na bababa ang price ng currency, pips are the unit for measuring the change in value in between two currencies. Usually the 4th decimal place. 1 pip, URM 0.001. Exceptions like JPY or Japanese yen pairs, 1 pip, 0.01. Pipettes, fractional pips equal to 1/10 of a pip. So ayon, napaka-importante nitong lesson na to para alam natin kung paano nga ba natin i-measure yung market value. At ito din ang magsisilbing pundasyon ng risk management natin. So ayun lang, have a good day and a good trade.